Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is AC3D, and today I'll be showing you guys the assembly of this weapon for my 3-pound combat robot. Now, if you've seen my last video, I used a really unsecure method, but it worked. But this time some parts arrived, these standoffs, and I'll be using a new and improved design. This design was inspired by the Peter Bar kit, which is like a Drisk weapon, and the creator of it made it open source, so he put all the CAD files on GrabCad, which was quite helpful in designing of my own version of this weapon, because I am using some different components. For example, his screws and everything are customary, and mine are metric. So yeah. So these spacers are inserted into this TPU printed hub. You can see I have some print quality issues, but I can deal with that later. So these are standoffs commonly used in PCBs for adequate cooling or just general spacing. And essentially, these will provide the space for the threads to secure onto. And if you notice that I used two different sizes of standoffs, because the kit I had only came with 4 of this certain length, and that since I needed 6, I had to be creative and use 2 of half the length of this thing. So to be more specific, I need 40mm standoffs in length, but since there are only 4, I need to use 2 20mm standoffs to make things work out. Now this is just gonna be me screwing things in, and yeah. If you're new here, be sure to like and subscribe, or don't if you don't want to. I'm not gonna force you to do anything, but that would be greatly appreciated. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. Before we get too far in here, we should insert one of these spacers. So these spacers, obviously this is all 3D printed, and I'll get things 3D printed with metal, CNC machined with metal soon enough. But for now, 3D printed is the way to go. This. So if you don't remember from a previous video, just a degreased bearing that should squeeze in. I should just unscrew this. Yeah, thanks for bearing with me. Ha, pun intended. But anyways, let me actually put these in first so I don't forget. Great. Now I got an extra thick fidget spinner. Now this feels a little bit wobbly in my palms for now, possibly because, yeah, that's the spacer. Possibly because I am missing, or I printed this thing with relatively low infill, so it may be possibly deformed, but that's alright, because I will definitely reprint all of these in stronger and more reliable materials. Yep. Like that. Insert the spacer in. And this is part of the series building a combat robot from scratch, and most of it is in fact 3D printed, which was quite a fun challenge for me. Yeah. Big shout out to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. Whether you need custom PCBs, high quality 3D printing, or precision metalworking, PCBWay has got you covered. With fast shipping and global service, they're the perfect partner for makers and creators anywhere. Check out PCBWay and bring your projects to life.